everybody, it's your girl Coco Nicole. We've been staying here in Honolulu, Hawaii for our anniversary, and we wanted to take you guys along, show you guys around a little bit. Yeah, if you're interested in that, then just keep on watching. This is our bathroom. We've been living in it for a little while, but it has a separate bathtub. It has a walk-in shower, detachable shower head, and it's got its own toilet room. And it's got this bidet thing. If you know, you know. Little walk-in closet. Got the fits. You know. Got a little lounge area, like a little couch. This is where we've been eating breakfast, watching TV. It's our big king size bed. Gotta have that king size bed and everything. Pretty wallpaper. Nice flat screen TV. Got a nice little drinky drink. Gotta have the Tito's on deck. Got my pretty girly flask here. Here's the best part. This is our view. We could see the harbor, out into the beach and the ocean. Look at that. And we let these open up these windows. This is some of downtown Honolulu. This is the harbor. Hey y'all, we're about to do this all day tour bus all over the island of Oahu. So it's about 7 a.m. Local Honolulu time, and we're going to be on the bus until like 4 p.m. But we're going to be doing like 7 different stops. So I'm going to try to take you guys along the way during this whole trip. You know, we got our masks on, we still masking up, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy the ride.
The lookout to your right hand side is called the Lanai Lookout. They're actually where President Obama's mother and grandmother was actually laid to.
We walking up the Manoa Falls Trail. Oh my goodness, I am out of breath. It is extremely rocky and muddy, and it decided to rain at the time that we came up here. But it is really beautiful. It's like a rainforest. It's waterfalls, and at the end it's supposed to be like a real big waterfall and a rock. Then we gotta turn around and come all the way back down. Wish us luck. And we really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed following us around here in the beautiful state of Hawaii. And
thanks for watching.
take care, y'all.